Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to create today. Today's slide is looking pretty amazing. Let's try to create that. At first, we need a new slide. In our new slide, we need this text and this picture. And align them in the save option you have. You can align them by using one of these things or yourself. I align it by myself and it has nothing special to that. After that, we need to create a rectangle and put it here. Increase it in size, then another one here, and a one in the middle. You can simply align it center, then by holding Control, create another copy of that, rotate it, put it here, increase it in size, and another one here. Now you need to change the color. This time I'm going to change color of everything to the white and the shape outline to white and change the background to black and apply it to all. Then I'm going to select this text and make them white. Then copy this slide, hold this tree, hold Ctrl and Shift, increase the size, and do the same thing for this two. Then I'm going to find the music here, cut it, paste it. I'm going to make it color black, align it center, align it middle. Now set the transition to morph. Now let's magic begins. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.